is Anna and I'm a content creator and digital strategist at ClickDo. Today I'm going to be sort of guiding you through everything that I do within my role and how you too can essentially start doing the same thing as me. I earn my income by working remotely 99% of the time, but that 1% it goes into when I attend all these really cool events and essentially do content creation there. Just last week, I did a video on how to make money online by becoming a digital marketer. Check that out, by the way. A lot more essential tips on there. And then a week before that, or a couple of weeks before that, I did a video debunking all the myths on online earning. As I work for a digital marketing agency, ClickDo, my work is varied, but it's within its niche. It relies heavily on the digital world and within this series on sort of making money online. But for you, content creation could be for a restaurant, your own food blog, a motorcycle brand, or even within the publishing industry, for example. Content creation is required across all sectors because every single industry desires content marketing. In fact, according to the Content Marketing Institute, 73% of B2B marketers and 70% of B2C marketers use content marketing as part of their overall marketing strategy. Think about some popular brands you see on a day-to-day basis. Coca-Cola, Pizza Hut, even Gillette. These companies are companies that have nurtured content creation, whether that's been through text-based, audio, video, or image sort of based formats. So to become a digital marketer, the first step is to identify your niche. Is your passion food? Do you have a passion for cars? Whatever it is, because it can be anything, discover it first. Then you might need to discover your niche within content creation. Do you have a great eye for detail? Maybe you should take the route towards image-based creations like photography. Are you social media savvy? Master the arts of Instagram or Instagram-based creations like Reels. Are you great at editing? Maybe creating video-based formats is your forte. We actually have a list of various content creation opportunities within one of our ClickDo blogs. Don't worry, there's something for everyone on there. The next step will be to learn how to produce high-quality content. Think about how many other content creators there are out there vying for others' attention. You need to be able to stand out in one way or another. Your content is what's going to be able to do this for you. If your employers or clients see that your content is what works, your content is what gets the views or the clicks, they're going to opt for you over the others. To showcase this, you can create your own website, vlog, blog, which can serve as your first sort of case study to showcase your content creation skills. If you want to take a look at how to build an online resume portfolio or a website, Manuela Wilbold, a digital media strategist here at ClickDo, actually shares some examples of outstanding online portfolios for content writers as inspiration. So learning how to create this high quality content and sharing it will be the second step after identifying your niche. If you want to learn more about video content, visit our YouTube channel down below for all the other videos where we cover various topics you can steal tips from. Better yet, visit our blog for high quality content creation and marketing techniques. Now, you've understood your niche and how to create the good content. Your next step is to identify your audience. By getting to know your audience, it allows you to understand their hopes, dreams, and their desires. But if you're just starting out, this might not prove effective for you just yet. So place your focus on trying to understand how to understand different audiences. Using SEO, also known as search engine optimization, you can learn how to actually cater to different audiences, whether that's for a restaurant, business, or your own food blog, or a motorcycle brand, as I mentioned previously. So when the time comes and you're ready to work for a company or a client, you actually know how to cater to different audiences. I actually discuss SEO in much more detail in my previous videos, so if you're more interested in that, please go and check that out as well. Next, you're going to want to learn how to package different high quality content or the same content for different platforms. People have different viewing habits, so they will visit your YouTube, your Instagram, your TikTok accounts, for example, very differently. So you're going to need to know how to cater to each platform and each viewing style. Here's an example of how I package the same content in various ways for the online magazine London Business News. Now, as a content creator, it's all well and good for me to know all these things, but without the legal considerations, my work would be redundant. Please familiarise yourself with copyright laws before embarking on a journey in digital content creation. Now, to fully understand the fundamentals of copyright law and copyright infringement, you will have to do some research. At ClickDo, the team have done all the hard work for you and created an extensive guide based on their consultation with an IP lawyer after they were confronted with copyright infringement claims, which can often be scams, to help every content creator protect themselves. Copyright is basically a legal framework that protects original work of creators. It gives creators exclusive rights to their work, including distribution, reproduction, and adaptation. This could be a blog, a sound, a video clip, or even an image. As a content creator yourself, you might even need to protect your own work from being copied or reused, so you will need to understand the fundamentals before you begin on a journey in content creation. For more into this, please again visit our blog on copyright infringement. It could be a lifesaver. Finally, stay informed, thus relevant and patient. I've grouped all of these together because they all go sort of hand in hand. By staying informed on current events, whether that's within your own work or just the world in general, your work will remain relevant. And to be relevant is to remain focused and hopefully be fully booked one day as a content creator, with the possibility of turning it into an online business someday. Get inspired with our Home Business Ideas Guide to discover further opportunities in the digital industry. But all this requires patience, because to become a content creator, you won't become one overnight. It takes practice, effort, and determination to stick to all the points I've covered within this video. And I genuinely and firmly believe that if you are interested in embarking on a world in digital content creation, the ClickDo blog is the perfect way to begin. You can also check out some of the free courses our experts at Seeker Host University have created. When I joined ClickDo, I did not know how diverse and interesting my projects would be working here. You can learn the same skills that I did and work for employers or clients. It all depends on you, so don't wait any longer. Visit clickdo.co.uk and start learning today. For more videos like this one, please subscribe so you can stay in the loop, because there will be more. I will be covering various professions within the digital industry and on how to make money online. So if content creation isn't your thing, maybe the next one will be. Please also like this video to support a fellow content creator, and let us know if you have any further questions. Until next time.